Manny Pacquiao has been up for challenges lately. You've seen him do the cool dance moves with his kids. Now it's America's Got Talent finalist Marcelito Pomoy's turn to challenge the senator. Pomoy shared the singing challenge video online. It was Pacquiao who chose the song. The prayer is popularized by Celine Dion and Italian tenor Andrea Bocelli. It also made Pomoy popular online because he can sing it using his dual man-woman voice. In the video, Pacquiao leveled up Pomoy's challenge.
Ako sa babae o lalaki ka sa babae?
Babae.
Babae ka?
Babae.
Oh, sige.
Can the senator sing like Celine Dion?
Oh, ikaw muna.
I pray we'll be alright. And watch us where we are.
And help us to be
And help us to be right.
in times when we don't know.
Times when we don't know.
Let this be our
Let us be alright.
when we lose our way.
When we lose our way.
Lead us to a place.
Lead us to a place.
Guide us,
God is